Menteri Rangba kejela ukonrat ke sangma hakan nyau terik jemang. Ulaong baka sorkar jela kalakut jingmut shem ban khang dam ya kipar dewiong ki belashu ikno ha Meghalaya. Henry ula kubur bakalong ke shem shitom nomar ke jingbun palan ha ke batang hapo EJH Hills ki don haduh ar hajar terli kipar dewiong. Ngidang le ya kane kumbang ilaong nadu ke besdang ba kindon bun ba kipar tang hapo EJH Hills kidon haduh ar hajar teli kipar. Kata kadai ke balapan pau ha ke kai pot hi ong ukonrat ha bejubab halor ke jingkhang kerdap damno ya kipar dewiong ki belashu ikno. Ula ong baki bor distrik badai kmi bat ka jingduna kinong tre kalapan shem shitom shibun. Kumta ki bor distrik kat baki don kumju kinong tre jongi. Shu ong baladangi penlek jingmut ha ki san hajar ne hendriu hajar teli ki jaka ha ka shisin lek ki dangdon sa hadu kumba khat san hajar teli ki ban penshem jing yangi ban le ula ong. Konrad ula penpau ru baki kambe an ki ju beteng biang hadian bala kendria na ki jaka bapet ngor. Habangila sedang ban kendria na ki te ki san hajar ki jaka bat persyang ban lek syaki san hajar ki boipat. Henry haba pai biang syaki san hajar teli ki baningkong ki bangila hab ban kmi bnia namar ki kam ki lak ban sedang biang ulaong. Haba banjur halor ke jingkut jingmut jong ke sorkar ukonrat ulaong. Kumta kamlong ke besuk kumba syu perkat. Ke bakong san kalong bangikut jingmut skem. Ngila tre shitom ha ke jing persyang ke jongi ki bor distrik ngila tre palat ya kapor. Ngila pen kendria ya ki bor beriu na ketai ke distrik syaki weipat ki distrik ban yarap ya ki bat kersyan ya ki halor ketai ke bangin beteng ban pentikna ba barok ki sinjam ki dei ban shem na ke liang ke sorkar knang ba barok ki an ki kendon bat ki hukum jong ke ying kasyari dei ban bud renti benrap Menteri Rangba.
Absolutely. So we are doing that. As I've maintained from beginning, that there are large number of mines. Just EJH Hills alone has 22,000 mines that is there in the report itself. And therefore, with the whatever administration that we have and manpower we have, even though we say focus on 5,000 or 6,000 locations and areas at one go, there are still 15,000 which becomes difficult for us to do. As soon as we shift from those 5,000 to go to other 5,000, then back in the first 5,000 which we were monitoring, activities could start. So it's not as simple as it sounds. What is important is that we are committed, we are sincere in our efforts. The administration is working overtime. We have shifted manpower from other districts to that district to help them and support them in this, and we will continue to ensure that all steps are taken from the government side so that all the rules, regulations and orders from the government, from the court are adhered to.